Welcome to Los Angeles. This thing looks so insane right now in this lighting. I just love this car. Like, look at that. Woo! Pizzeria, we just had pizza. Pizza, guys. I'm slowly starting to feel rejuvenated. I need maybe 1 or 2 Red Bull now, because we got to go to one of these crazy LA car meets and watch some of the shenanigans that these young kids do. Dave, you ready for shenanigans?
Dave's leaving.
Dave's out. I legit thought you were sleeping for a minute, bro. You could fall asleep. Well, we did. Last time Nick drove us to LAX, we fell asleep on him. I felt bad. Nick's like, hey, thanks for taking my car. Thanks for the conversation. Thanks for talking to me, guys.
This is so hardcore.
Yeah.
He needs a bunch of f***ies.
That's right. Nick's hooking us up. Last time it was the rolls. You guys want to see what he's gonna lend us this time? Car Page to the rescue. You guys gotta go and download his app for him hooking us up with a car. Oh, you know it. Huracan Spider. Yeah, that little old school Porsche is amazing.
Ours is in there, stripped. That's cool.
Races it. My buddy Chad would love this thing. Would just love it. Yeah, it's completely stripped inside. Wow.
We've got to fit all this luggage
Yeah, what just came out of a Rolls Royce.
in that car. Huh. I have a feeling this will involve me and my leg room.
How you doing?
Oh, I'm good, thanks. How are you?
You got tons of room.
Oh, get out of here.
You have to hold on to that. Hey, brother. Left, 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 and left.
Yeah, just left, and you will see it.
Cool.
All the way.
Text you in the morning. Yeah.
All right, so apparently this is the location.
This looks totally sketch.
Especially in a Lamborghini.
Yeah. Is a Lamborghini a big deal? Just.
It looks like they're setting up for something.
The destination is on your left.
Rich boy, silly quick book, niggas wanna check shit tight, no slip.
Better view.
Just bought a Cadillac, throw some D's on that bitch, just bought a Cadillac.
Just more and more people keep showing up. We saw a guy in an old, what was it? Camaro, is it 28?
Yeah.
Couldn't really do donuts all that well. Still trying.
Rich boy, silly quick book, niggas wanna check shit tight, no slip.
That guy's
Just bought a Cadillac, took it to the top,
LA, baby! LA's crazy! LA's crazy! But this is the LA crew.
Right here we have people right now that came from IE, LA, OC, and even San Diego. We got people from San Diego.
It's so close to the crowd. That dude was like so close to those people. I got the Lambo ready to go. It's like in the dip spot. I'll bring mine down next time.
In 2 weeks?
Probably like in a month. In a month it'll come down for a whole new reveal. It's getting everything new.
The reveal's gonna be done here.
Yeah, it'll be. I'll bring it out to one of these. It'll be fun.
You could team up with Alex and do Lambo.
just bought a Cadillac.
crazy.
Oh, this is the ending, bro. We should have been here like
The cops told me. The cops said they were like, there's like 250, 300 people out. I came down here to see some crazy shit.
Wow, bro, you didn't see me last location. I don't have you on Instagram, but I do have you on YouTube.
Hold this.
Watch that shit!
How's that? Crazy, bro. These guys are crazy. Yeah, I think we took the right way. The cops went the other way. Welcome to Los Angeles. The best part is this car's not my car, as you guys know. And he's asking me about insurance, which is very different from Canada. I don't really know what to give him. But I had Nick send me some insurance card things, so hopefully that helps. How you doing?
What's going on, man? You got your license, registration, proof of insurance?
My driver's license. From Canada, we just got into town today, and this is my buddy's car. He lends it to me when I come into town.
Alright.
Is it in there? Well, I don't know. I can't.
Your buddy's car?
Yeah, it's my friend Nick's.
Alright, I see that guy real quick.
Yeah. Your guys' stuff's way different than ours in Canada.
And you have insurance with you?
Pardon me?
You have insurance with you?
Like, what do you mean? The car's
Like
insured.
Proof of financial responsibility.
You're looking here.
There's usually a little card that people carry around in the glove box or something like that. They'll say the insurance company and the policy number have an expiration date.
Let me. Bro, how's it going? Where's your insurance card? A cop.
It should be in the glove box actually, somewhere underneath the thing.
There's a registration there, but not the insurance card.
There's that white piece of paper. Is that all you need?
It should be.
Oh, okay.
It should say like a or something.
Okay, I gave it to him already. He's got the license plate. He can look it all up.
Let me see if I have an electronic card. I can send you a screenshot as well.
Sure. Sounds good.
But if you give it to him, it's all good.
Okay, thanks, bro.
Okay, bye.
Goodbye. Trying to find my friends. These are not them. There's like 1, 2. There's 3 cruisers now here.
Perfect. Let me take that off real quick.
Yeah, no worries. Off what?
Off the citation.
So there's a meet around here?
Yeah, they had a car meet thing going on down here. There was like probably, I don't know, 200, 300 cars or something like that.
300?
Yeah.
Is it still on? Is it worth checking out?
No, everybody cleared out, but
Huh.
they're starting to get all crazy. One of my partners had a couple bottles thrown at his car.
So I just got a text message from Alex Choi, and he said he's not having much luck tonight either. Looks like he's getting his car towed away, the M2.
Telling me things about rap, talking the truth and then stabbing my back, they will not be track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong.
He's like, if they'll let me go here in a minute, I'll walk over there, or if they let you go, drive over to my side. Yo! What's up? Alex!
Yo.
Where are you?
I'm right here.
Hey man, how's it going?
What's up, man?
Hey, where's your car?
On the back of a tow truck. Can I walk to them?
Just give it a second real quick, man.
Okay.
How crazy was it?
I'll send you videos. It was pretty crazy, and then both rear tires just literally took apart in pieces and started shredding
Oh, that's why your car's on a...
on a flatbed right now.
Oh, I thought maybe it was like on a flatbed because of the cops.
Oh, no. They're not being handcuffs right now.
Hey,
right.
go
I'll
take it
catch you
easy
later.
tonight. We'll catch up tomorrow, brother.
All right, I'll see you guys.
Later, bro.
See you later.
Sorry about the tires.
It's all good.
Oh, there you go.
Blew his tires.
That's epic.
Alrighty. Here's
Hey,
your
man.
documents back for you.
Thanks, man.
So down here, most important part is when you got to get it taken care of. So make sure that you get it taken care of before April 23rd of 2018 at the Central Justice Center. Okay.
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 Sorry we were the most boring part of your night.
Oh, yeah.
Couple of, you know, Canadians.
Exactly.
All right, brother. You guys have a safe night.
Drive safe.
Am I cool to exit the vehicle for a sec?
Yeah. I mean,
Okay.
you guys are free to go.
Cool, man.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
Drive safe. Have a good night.
You too. Are you not entertained? We got the official meet and greet in Los Angeles. I'm bagged. The meet's over. I just want to go to bed.
I'm exhausted.
I'm exhausted. You guys, please go to CarPage on the App Store. Download CarPage. It's
The meet's not over yet.
You hear that? Squealing? Doesn't sound like the meat's over. I'm not going over there though.
Yeah.
Hear it? Dude, they're
Guys.
going nuts here.
Guys.
LA is crazy.
Go to CarPage, sign up. Nick needs some money to pay for his ticket. So go sign up. But it's free.
It's
so
free.
How does that work?
It doesn't help him. Maybe he
Oh.
can get advertising dollars because there's more people on the app.
Right.
Eventually.
Right.
All right, I'm gonna take a leak. You guys smash that subscribe button. We're doing everything we can to entertain you guys. Meeting the local LAPD. Those guys are really cool. And there's gonna be some crazy shenanigans tomorrow because we are going to meet the world famous Formula D drifter, Samuel Hubinette, who made the epic Lamborghini Newport Beach drifting video with his wife. We're gonna go drift his BMW that just got supercharged at VF Engineering. We're gonna go do that tomorrow. And then I think we're gonna go meet up with Alex tomorrow and go to this meet, which is supposed to be even crazier. It's gonna get nuts. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
I come from a town where most of the people are so close-minded. They go into school and they work in a job, but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box. Nobody telling me what I should rock. Nobody telling me what I should drop, cause I do what I want and just know I don't stop. Recording till 4 in the morning, they snoring. I'm pouring my soul into every story I'm writing, producing, I mix it, I master.